Wow, I just walked out of our local grocery store and it looked like the ending of the world zombie movie. People were wandering around, confused, they were upset, they were looking at prices and shaking their heads. I saw a lady with 3 small kids grab a pack of hamburger meat and just drop to her knees and start crying. She couldn't afford to feed her family. We're going to change all that. Our mission is to show people how to cook, to show people how to buy food, and to show people how to feed their families. So come along, join us on this mission at Real Food, Spend Less. We'll see you on the other side. Today we're going to make a favorite that everyone loves. We're going to make hash brown breakfast. This is going to start with peeling a potato. Use your potato peeler. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Get all the peels off. Some people like the peels. If you like the peels, that's okay too. Hash browns in the store cost a fortune. They are so cheap and easy to make though. Grab your grater and your salad spinner and grate them directly into the salad spinner. Watch your fingers, don't get cut because this thing will bite you. I see so many people in the grocery store buying already prepared hash browns and they spend a fortune on them. $2, $3 for the shredded potatoes that we're doing right here for about 18 cents. You're really going to love these. They're very delicious, very easy to do. There we go, finished part there. Now that we've washed these in the salad spinner and drained them, we're going to turn them, get them good and dry and ready to go. There you go. Pretty good, pretty easy so far. Hang on, more steps. Now we're going to get into our ingredients. We'll go 1 mushroom, as you use a knife, let the heel of the knife guide it. Be very careful. Curl your fingers back and slow it down. Here's the green pepper. Same thing. Let the knife do the work. You can go a little fast, but that's for another story. Next we have 1 green onion. Going to put a little bit of tomato in there. Love tomatoes. Put the tomatoes aside. You won't need them till the rest is done. We're going to do a garlic clove. Take the mystery out of peeling. Get 1 smash there. And it comes out easy on its own. Let's slice this up. Once again, we'll put this in a little later also because garlic will burn very fast. We're going to have a piece of andouille that we have left on the refrigerator. And we're going to have some hamburger meat. So all the ingredients right there. Tomato, garlic, green onions, mushrooms, hamburger, and a little bit of andouille. We're going to start the burner now and saute the potatoes. We'll also put an egg on there when we're done. Hang on, we'll come back. All right, we're ready to go. Turn the stove on. High heat. Always let your pan get hot first before you put anything in there. That way nothing will stick. And you'll thank me in the end. Trust me. Let it get hot. about 20-30 seconds. Then you add your oil. You'll add a little bit more than usual because we're doing potatoes, and they tend to soak up the oil. We're going to add our potatoes right from our salad spinner. Go ahead and add the hamburger meat, the mushrooms, green peppers, and onions. Pretty good bit there. This is going to be more than enough for me. It's going to be about 2 meals. The entire cost of this thing is about 75 cents. You went to a restaurant, it costs you $7, $8, $9 at the very minimum. We're going to let that cook down. Once everything's cooked down, then you can add your tomatoes. If you add them too soon, the juice of the tomato will dilute the grease and it won't fry correctly. Now we can slow the camera down and we can add cracked ground pepper and seasoning salt. The reason you always see television chefs add the spices from a bowl is if you use the container and you get above the pan, the steam will seal the thing shut there and you won't get them out next time. That's why. Alright, our hash browns are done. Turn the burner off and let's fry up an egg. Then we'll plate everything up. A little bit of Pam seasoning, or I'm sorry, a little bit of Pam cooking oil. Once again, let the pan heat up. And then we'll drop our egg in. Let that sit for a while. You can always tell how fresh an egg is by how solid the white. This one here is fresh enough, but it's not a fresh egg. It's probably about 10 days old. You can tell how runny the white is on the outskirts. Get your pan, get solidified. Don't scramble this. Not going to add any seasoning because we have plenty of seasoning in the hash browns. When the egg gets almost done, turn the heat off. Let the heat of the pan carry over to the eggs. That way your eggs won't dry out and they'll be nice and fluffy. Alright, ready to plate? Let's do it. Here's our plate, hash browns. My God, I don't know if I'm going to eat all this. These things smell delicious. It's definitely enough for 2 people. We'll put some aside. That's it. Delicious scrambled eggs and hash browns. A breakfast for 2 people there, I'll separate out in a second, for about 75 cents a person. Better than any restaurant quality you can find. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you try this. You'll definitely like it. Well, here's our final plate of the hash browns. I added some ornamental peppers to it because I like mine hot, and I'm about to add some ketchup also. You gotta try this for yourself. You'll like this. Let us know what you think. Let us know how your hash browns turned out if you tried them, and let us know what else you want to see. Also, check out our website, realfoodspendless.com, where we have all kinds of tips and tricks and menus and hacks on there. Also our Facebook page. Once again, realfood.spendless. Period. There we post a blog 3 times a week, and we also have a tip of the day Monday through Friday. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to hearing your ideas. We're trying to build a community where people can learn how to cook again on a budget and can cook well without processed foods, without spending too much money. We'll see you next time. Bye. And I'm going to eat.